How to use ChatGPT to generate unique YouTube video ideas. Creating engaging YouTube videos requires consistent creativity and strategic thinking. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm video ideas that stand out from the crowd. But beyond the usual prompts, there are hidden tricks and advanced techniques you can use to unlock ChatGPT's full potential for YouTube content creation. Let's explore these strategies and some lesser-known tips to get the most insightful and creative ideas. 1. Ask ChatGPT to mimic expert creators. One way to get standout ideas is to ask ChatGPT to think like a successful creator in your niche. This approach generates ideas with a proven track record of success, but with a unique spin. Prompt example: think like a top self-help YouTuber with 1 million subscribers. What video ideas would they create to go viral? Imagine you're a tech YouTuber specializing in tutorials. What are some advanced topics that would resonate with viewers? By mimicking the strategies of experts, you can tap into high-performing concepts tailored to your audience. Hashtag 2. Combine trending topics with evergreen content. Trending topics attract viewers quickly, but evergreen content keeps them coming back. Use ChatGPT to fuse the two for maximum impact. Prompt example: what are trending AI tools I can review and compare with evergreen AI concepts like machine learning basics? Combine recent news about space exploration with timeless topics like how space technology impacts daily life. This hybrid approach ensures your content is relevant both now and in the future. 3. Generate content series ideas. Instead of standalone videos, ask ChatGPT for ideas that work as part of a series. Series keep viewers coming back and boost channel watch time. Prompt example: what are 10 video ideas for a series about mental health for beginners? Suggest a multi-part series on starting a successful side hustle using AI. You can also ask for a structured flow. What should the first 5 videos in a beginner to expert YouTube series on topic look like? 4. Invent new formats for videos. Rather than sticking to common formats like tutorials or listicles, use ChatGPT to invent fresh formats. Prompt example: create a unique video format for a faceless YouTube channel about self-help. Suggest a gamified video concept for tech reviews. Unique formats could include role-playing scenarios, e.g., what if AI was your personal assistant for a day? Interactive quizzes, e.g., can you guess the outcome of these self-help stories? Reverse engineering, e.g., how not to succeed at starting a business. 5. Ask for emotional angles. Videos that connect emotionally with viewers often perform better. Ask ChatGPT to generate ideas that resonate on a deeper level. Prompt example: what are emotionally engaging YouTube video ideas about overcoming loneliness? Suggest powerful storytelling ideas to inspire viewers to take action on climate change. Combine this with faceless formats by asking for metaphors or animations to convey emotions. 6. Leverage AI for dynamic viewer interaction. Use ChatGPT to craft innovative ways to engage your audience during the video. Polls. Suggest fun poll questions to use in a video about personal finance. Challenges. What are some challenges viewers can do at home after watching a video about productivity? Real-time experiments. Suggest live-action experiments viewers can follow in a video about mindfulness. These interactive elements can create a sense of community and keep viewers invested. 7. Explore what-if scenarios. What-if scenarios work brilliantly for faceless channels and thought-provoking content. Ask ChatGPT to generate hypothetical situations that spark curiosity. Example prompts: what if the internet disappeared tomorrow? Create a YouTube video idea exploring the impact. What if humans could live forever? Suggest a video script idea unpacking the pros and cons. These types of videos can blend education and entertainment, making them highly shareable. 8. Discover underrated keywords and topics. Most creators use common keywords, but ChatGPT can help you uncover underrated or less explored topics within your niche. Prompt example: what are lesser-known subtopics in the self-help niche that could attract a niche audience? What are uncommon but trending keywords for tech YouTube videos in 2024? Pair these ideas with SEO optimization tips like crafting keyword-rich titles and descriptions. 9. Simulate target audience personas. Instead of guessing what your audience wants, ask ChatGPT to simulate different viewer personas and suggest ideas for each. Prompt example: if my audience is mostly high school students, what YouTube video topics would interest them? Suggest video ideas for working professionals who want to learn about productivity. By tailoring content to these personas, you can address specific needs and preferences, boosting engagement. 10. Use ChatGPT for post-video strategies. Don't stop at idea generation. ChatGPT can also help you craft post-video engagement strategies. Write a pinned comment that encourages viewers to share their thoughts on video topic. Suggest follow-up video ideas based on viewer feedback for a video about topic. This ensures your content builds a conversation and keeps your audience connected. Bonus trick: let ChatGPT think like your competitor. Ask ChatGPT to reverse engineer content ideas from the perspective of a competing channel. Prompt example: if I were a competitor of popular YouTube channel, what unique video ideas would help me stand out? This approach allows you to create content that fills gaps or offers a fresh perspective. Conclusion: using ChatGPT to generate YouTube video ideas goes beyond basic brainstorming. With strategies like simulating audience personas, blending trends with evergreen content, and inventing new formats, you can craft videos that truly resonate with viewers. Leverage ChatGPT's creative power to plan not just individual videos, but entire content strategies, ensuring your channel remains innovative, engaging, and a step ahead of the competition. Try these tricks and watch your YouTube content soar to new heights.